Welcome to Vantage Technology webinar. Today our topic is prompt builder, and prompt template. How we can create the prompt template into the agent forces. So let's first understand what is a prompt is. So in agent force, a prompt is a detailed instruction or question that guide a large language model to generate a specific output, such as knowledge, search result, email, or summarize report. This way, you, you can write the prompt so that you will get the responses. In short, prompt is a natural language that you can craft to communicate with your AI. That is called the prompt is. So prompt basically is work three-way, three type. There is a three type you need to be mentioned in your prompt. First is limit. Limit basically in your prompt define the limit of your prompt, your response, so that you can remove the hallucination. Second is your language. Second type is your prompt is language. What language you are communicating with your AI is, whether it's in English, you're writing a blog into the English, or you're speaking with English, or any other language you need to mention in your prompt is. And third one is um, your tone, what tone you are communicating with your AI is, or what style you are communicating with. Suppose that you want to communicating with the American English, or you want to communicating with the British English, or is aggressive tone or polite tone, that or a style you can mention in your prompt, so that your prompt response will get accordingly your requirement is. So this is a very important whenever you are building any prompt. These are the things you need to mention so that you will get the specific response from your AI. Now, what is a prompt builder is? Prompt builder in Agentforce is basically is Salesforce providing an AI tool so that you can create, manage, or customize your prompt is. That is what the use of prompt builder is. In one place you are defining you some of the instruction is already provided to you, and then some of the instruction you can give on top of that, some of the setting you can create, so that you no need to build every time from scratch. That will provide you the prompt builder is. And then prompt template is basically is you define the your context, you define your request and within a prompt. Only some parameter is variable parameter you can pass to the prompt template, and based on those variable parameter you will get the response from LLM or AIs. That is a prompt template is. There is a couple of way you can create the prompt template. There is a couple of way. One is email template, prompt template, or flex or field generation prompt template. These are the couple of way you can generate within agent for our prompt template is. So in in next section I'm going to walk through the how you can create the prompt template for your any of your project within agent forces. So let's jump on that how we can enable agent force and how we can create the prompt template for your project is. Now get started with the prompt builder. In this section, I'm going to show you how you can create the prompt template, and this prompt template, how you're going to associate with the field for the field generation. So for this one, let's start how we can enable prompt template and all this different field is. So let's start. For before starting for any agent force, make sure that your Einstein setup is enabled. So first go to the setup and then search for Einstein setup. Make sure that you click this Einstein setup and enable this feature. So as soon as if you see Einstein is on, now Einstein feature is enabled for you. Now next step is make sure that you are search for the prompt. So it's not coming for you. So make sure that you refresh this page if you're not coming. and then search for the prompt. Now you see, like now it is coming, start to coming a prompt builder. Make sure to go over here, and now you see like a prompt builder is there. So let's just start with the new prompt template from here. So for that one, you need to click the new prompt template, which is over here. So as soon as you click, you notice is template type a case detail. No, now I'm going to search for the name. What is going to the name? So here I'm going, since it is a part of the field generation, I'm selecting the field generation for you from here. And now I'm going to put the, I'm just copying from my field. I'm going to pass as a quick summary. This is a name. I'm just putting, you can put any name, whatever is for your relevant for your project is. So automatically it will pick the API name by default. You can change based on your requirement, but yeah, this is, I'm going with the default. What is the default is. Now I'm going to put the some sort detail as a description, and now select as a case. If you search for the case, because I'm selecting the case from you, and then from case I'm going to search for the quick summary. So if you notice, this quick summary came in picture over here. So as soon as you select, make sure that what is you are giving a prompt template type. What prompt template type is? There is a couple of options over here. So right now I'm showing you the field generation prompt template, but you can go with, I can show you also flex how you can enable. So these are the couple of way you can enable. So field generation, as soon as you click the field generation, you can put your name, whatever relevant for your project, and then by default it will pick it whatever the name you are going to give. The API name will populate from here. You can change this API name based on your requirement. And now the description, give the description which is relevant for this template is, make sure that you will not forget, it will come and you can find this description. And what object you are associating with this field generation, I'm currently associating with the case object, and then field name is quick summary. As soon as I click the next, so you notice is this field come in picture. If you notice left hand side, case is coming, related entity is case, and now model type is a standard model. Open AI GPT, you can select based on your requirement is, couple of option is there. I'm going with the default over here. And now you can add your template. Suppose that I'm just putting the some prompt information over here. Currently I'm search for, I'm currently I type it. So I copy from there and then put it over here. So summarize the concatenation of the content of comment, body of comment, along with text from subject to case priority. Use the priority, and the case type is keep the response to a single short paragraph. So you are writing your prompt. It is all how efficient you are writing a prompt. That is a very important of what here is, so that you will get the exact information what you're looking for. That is precise and short. So you are giving this information to LLM. Now here quick thing I'm going to change over here is, if you notice this couple of thing I bold later. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to change this bold letter with the proper variable, so that this information will replace during the runtime whenever I'm running this template is. So I'm just deleting this one. Let's so suppose that I am priority. Let's delete this one. And now I'm going keep your cursor over here. Don't change this cursor, because you want to insert your variable over here. Now you go to insert resource case, and now since I replace with the priority, look for the priority over here. So you notice is priority, as soon as you click the priority, it will replace over here. Same thing for the subject, replace with the subject. Same thing, input resource case, subject. Now you replace with the subject, case priority, and now replace with the comment, input resource case, case case comment. Now replace with this one, and type, replace this type is. Now search for the type case type. Now you are replace relevant variable with your prompt, what you are going to send to your LLM or AI side. And now you, once you looks good, now you can save it. Once you save it, now I'm going to quickly check how it is going to look like. So let's click the preview. A case type, I'm going to select some case type over here. So now it came over here. This is case. And now you run again preview. So you see how, based on your prompt, you are generating a response over here. And this is a resolve how different summary you are getting from the LLM is. If you notice, is everything you are getting as a JSON object, and then it is translating into your response, a relevant response for you. So now whatever you created a prompt, now it is, and variable based on those variable and prompt, it is generating for you response over here is. And now once you are happy with this response, now you can activate this one. So now your this prompt is active in prompt builder is in prompt builder. Now let's go to the second part. How I'm going to, second part is how I'm going to enable dynamic form for the cases. So search for the now, since I'm creating the dynamic form so that you can replace the dynamic field with your AI prompt. So let's search over here case come in picture. Now this is a recent. You can see, if you want to work on the recent one, this is a recent one, or you can go to the all open case. So let's pick the first one. I click this first one. Now if you notice is this page for the case is coming for you. Now you are editing this field. So suppose that I want to edit this page, you need to go on the top, and there is an option over here is edit page. So it's now loading for you. Now if you notice is now you can edit this whole page and format this pages. Now what I'm going to do, whatever I created the template, I'm going to replace over here. So for that one, you need to click the quick summary. And as soon as you click the quick summary, right hand side, you are seeing like a option come in picture as a upgrade. Now click this upgrade now, and now next, click the next, make it the case layout. case layout. Now this come in picture. If you notice is now case summary. Now I'm going to, if you notice is as soon as you click this one, now it is coming as a prompt template option over here is. Keep it everything same, view all template. So click over here. Since you created this prompt template, now this option is coming for you as a prompt template. Now select this one. Now you assign this field over here is. As soon as you assign, there is no rule set for you. UI we have here none, and keep it everything as default. You based on the requirement, you can edit based on the your whatever requirement is. Now save it. And now once you save it, this box will come as a activate. As soon as you activate, now this option will come assigned as a org default over here. I'm going with the desktop, not phone and anything. So you can go with the desktop and phone too. Right now I'm going with only for desktop right now. And now save it. Now this field is now active now. Now go back over here. Now you notice is this option is coming for you. One is for edit and another one is star. So a star, it means now your whatever response you are filling over here, it will get from the LLM or AI side is. So let's edit this one. Let's click the edit. This is edit. And now as soon as I click this star button, if you notice it, this mean is your Agentforce is enabled for this field is. Now it's generating for you. So this comment based on the template, this field is being generated. If you want to use it, just click the use and then make it a small. So now this based on the your this user, this will populate it for you. This field is being populated for you, a quick summary. And now as soon as quick is enable, now you can click the save over here. When you are happy with this generated content based on this user, now you save it. And now this quick summary come in picture for you. So this is a way you can enable uh, field generation field from the agent forces. And you can use Agentforce within a using Agentforce with the help of a prompt template and enable any field for you. So this is what this demo is. If you have any question, feel free to contact us. uh, and thanks for joining with this webinar. Thank you very much.